this is a follow-up presentation to OIS SECO, which was the first time OIS was at an optometry meeting. Ocumedic is timed drug delivery to the eye via contact lens or clear corneal bandage with extended wear. Wear being 7 days and 7 days to be coincident with the recall patterns back after surgeries. And we're focused on $16 billion market with about 8% compounded growth here. So just to recap, less than 5% of the active therapeutic is getting to the target tissue. Treatment requires multiple drops in the case of a cataract patient post-surgery, as many as 300. And most patients, they miss their drops, and that's contributing to the $70 billion in complications. So we're talking about delivering to the target tissue constantly. Most importantly, eye care providers are already trained to deliver this technology. And the focus is in reduction in complications and healthcare costs. Just to look at Ocumedic's lens extended delivery of a drop, you'll see in this chart that Ocumedic has through its lens, the potential to deliver 16 times more drug per day with 1.3 higher bioavailability. And the drops have short residence time because of that quick tear turnover. In our animal studies, you can see here that efficacy and controlled release and our safety data, lenses are 100 times more efficient drug delivery devices than topical eye drops. And the current standard of care such that there are no drug-releasing lenses on the market. The contact lens industry has spent better than 50 years trying to develop a drug-releasing lens, and to no avail. And eye care providers have routinely soaked lenses in drug with the hopes of getting some extended release to no avail. So, controlled duration of the drug delivery, it's basically an exercise in material engineering, a breakthrough in material engineering with polymer and monomers and a template ratio. The lens polymer structure leads to more memory and a longer release period. So in the green bar on your left, you'll see that that's a 1.3 monomer to template versus the extended wear time of 30 days with 25-to-1 ratio. So our first product in development is anti-inflammatory drug releasing lens with Bronfenac, a first-line non-steroidal anti-inflammatory, off patent with a very broad and deep safety package. And we're placing the drug into a silicon hydrogel shell, which is utilized in 80% of the market for the treatment of post-cataract inflammation and a reduction in pain. Second product in the pipeline is for dry eye with hyaluronic acid as a comfort agent, as well as cyclosporin. And as you've heard, this is a high-growth segment of the marketplace. So our focus in terms of our fundraising and our Series A is to move our OM002 for cataract, LASIK, and corneal abrasion, this 7-day platform with Bronfenac forward to a phase 1-2 study. The Ocumedic platform technology is based on lens polymers associated with the drug of choice, creating this polymer network with small pores and a macromolecular memory unique for each drug, enabling enhanced affinity of the drug and polymer, and also controlled release to a zero-order rate of diffusion. We have 10 patents. We just recently received issuance in our European patent, and we have coverage through 2030. And again, there are no drug-eluting contact lenses or corneal bandages on the market today. So, recent developments. In 2019, we achieved 2 financial and strategic partnership milestones, propelling the company toward our regulatory approval and commercialization. In July, Ocumedic expanded its global presence Company was awarded Chinese municipal government financing, no payback, no equity, to establish a subsidiary in China, and as a technology that has been identified for the greater population. In terms of cataracts, which are underindicated in China, you have 1,100 per million times 1.5 billion. So the largest market in the world. And in August, we finalized an exclusive vertical integration agreement with Gillette Inc., which is a major supplier of materials to the global contact lens industry. Gillette is a private equity backed. They just bought Biomax, giving them a commanding position in the market, and they also participated in our Series A financing. So our financing situation, our lead investor is a University Rowan Innovation Venture Fund, $7 million $1 per share with 50% warrant coverage to move forward with our pipeline development. This month, we're starting a navigating animal study toward a small human study on healthy normals, and then into our phase 1/2 as we continue to raise money. In terms of the management team, I joined Mark Byrne, who is the co-technical founder of the company, who had developed the technology at Auburn University, where we had in-licensed the technology, and most recently, Fred Kahn joined us as acting CRO out of MIT. And our advisory board, we just brought on Steve Martin, who founded Ciba Vision and grew it from $1 to $100 million. He'll advise on transactions. And Paul Karpecki, a leading optometrist. And why? Again, where are those cataracts coming to ophthalmology? They're coming on referral to optometrist, who dispenses all the contact lenses in the United States, primarily optometry. Co-management, referrals, and they know how to place and replace these devices on the patient. So, in highlights, we got an experienced management team, strong worldwide patent portfolio, strategic partners in the form of Gillette and Innolink for China. Reimbursement is available immediately upon approval for this product because of silicone hydrogel with code 92071 for corneal ulcers and dry eye. And we're advancing toward our phase 1/2. We have discussions ongoing with the various companies mentioned below, and I can remind you that companies at phase 2 are getting taken out in anything that reduces or eliminates the need for eye drops today. And just 2 benchmark deals would be iGate, B&L Valiant for $135 million, and Foresight Vision 5 Allergans for glaucoma, $95 million. Thank you for your attention.